Hey everyone, welcome back to the Dream Cars. Today, we're diving into something truly exciting, the all-new 2026 BMW. Buckle up, because this car isn't just an update, it's a bold statement from BMW about where the future of driving is headed. First glance at the 2026 BMW, and you can tell they've pushed the boundaries. The design is aggressive yet elegant. The front fascia is dominated by a reimagined kidney grille, slimmer but more sculpted, paired with razor-sharp laser headlights that cut through the night. Along the sides, the flowing body lines and aerodynamic curves aren't just for looks, they reduce drag and improve efficiency. And those rear lights, slim, futuristic, and unmistakably BMW. It's the kind of design that turns heads whether it's parked or flying down the highway. Now, under the hood, BMW offers several powertrains for the 2026 model, including a fully electric variant alongside the classic inline-6 and a turbocharged V8 for those craving that raw combustion power. The electric version, it boasts a range of up to 400 miles, with lightning-fast charging that gets you to 80% in under 20 minutes. BMW's engineers have also worked on refining the xDrive all-wheel system, making sure that whether you're in rain, snow, or carving through tight mountain roads, the car responds with razor-sharp precision. Step inside, and it's clear BMW is redefining luxury. The cabin feels like a blend of a high-end lounge and a cutting-edge tech lab. Premium materials like sustainable leather, carbon accents, and customizable ambient lighting surround you. The driver's seat is no longer just a seat, it's a command center. A massive curved display stretches across the dash, integrating the digital instrument cluster and infotainment seamlessly. With the latest iDrive system, everything is intuitive. Gesture controls, voice commands, even AI-powered suggestions that learn your preferences over time. Want your seat warmer on the way home? The car already knows. But BMW didn't stop there. Safety and driver assistance have been taken to a whole new level. The 2026 BMW offers semi-autonomous driving on highways, adaptive cruise with predictive capabilities, and a 360-degree monitoring system that not only helps with parking but actively prevents collisions. And let's not forget the advanced heads-up display, projecting navigation, speed, and alerts directly onto the windshield. Driving this car is an experience. The electric model offers instant torque and a whisper-quiet ride, while the V8 roars to life with a deep, satisfying growl. Adaptive suspension adjusts to your driving style and road conditions, giving you a smooth cruise when you want it, and razor-sharp handling when you demand it. BMW's engineers have focused on balance, ensuring that the 2026 model keeps that perfect 50/50 weight distribution, delivering legendary handling whether you're tackling city streets or winding backroads. And there's more to love. BMW is embracing sustainability with recycled materials, eco-friendly manufacturing, and software updates that keep the car evolving even after you drive it off the lot. Over-the-air updates mean your car gets smarter, faster, and more capable with time, without ever visiting a dealership. For those looking at customization, BMW is offering an expanded palette of colors, wheel designs, and interior finishes, allowing you to truly make the 2026 BMW your own. Whether you want sporty, luxurious, or ultra-modern, there's a spec that fits your personality. So, who's this car for? It's for the dreamers, the drivers who want cutting-edge technology but refuse to compromise on driving pleasure. It's for those who care about performance, luxury, and sustainability, all wrapped into one sleek package. BMW's vision for the future is here, and it's not just electric, it's thrilling. As we wrap up, I have to say, standing next to this machine, you can feel the passion, the engineering, the craftsmanship that went into it. The 2026 BMW isn't just another car, it's a symbol of where the brand is heading, and it promises to make every drive unforgettable. Thanks for watching the Dream Cars. If you enjoyed this look at the 2026 BMW, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss an episode. Drop a comment below. What's your favorite feature of the new BMW? Would you go electric, or stick with the classic gas engine? We want to hear from you.